I'm gonna be using the KKW Beauty contour stick. Yeah, contour cream stick, however she call it.
So back to what I was saying.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long time since I sit down and film the video for you guys. So I thought today I'm scheduled to go to work at like noon. So I thought, you know, why not just wake up this morning, just kind of like talk to you guys, to tell you guys what I've been up to and things that's been going on. Kind of a little chit chat, get ready with me. It's been such a crazy past couple of weeks. There's been a lot going on. It's like, I can't really put it into words, but I'm always busy here and there, like school, work, like I'm always doing something. And my last video was in October, and then I went to Corporal's course. That was like almost a month, and while I was over there, I forgot I was in school, so I missed like the first 2 weeks. I know, I missed like the first 2 weeks. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing my makeup while I'm talking to you guys. So let me just go ahead and moisturize my face. And I'm going to be listing all the products that I'm using in the description down below. So make sure you go ahead and check it out. Yeah, I'm going to moisturize my face. I think I said that before. So yeah. And then while I was at Corporal's course, I started school. Like I was like 2 weeks late. And then I figured out I was in school when they emailed me. They said I haven't been attending class, and I was like, oh my god, I cannot believe this. So it was like kind of like the beginning of November. No, not even the beginning. It was like probably the second week of November. And then that's kind of like I'm starting to catch up, and I submit a lot of my homework late. The teacher was like, I don't accept late homeworks and all this other stuff. Which is I was kind of butthurt, but it was my fault that I didn't like make sure I was in school. I totally forget about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. So I still passed my class, but not with the grade I was hoping. So it was like terrible, but I passed. That's all that matters. I mean, that's not all that matters, but I mean, I'm happy that I passed. I thought I was gonna fail, but I didn't. So I catch up. I submit a lot of my work like on time and everything, and I was like kind of on top of everything. And then school was over, and after that I flew to New York. I think the 23rd. And then when I went to New York, I started vlogging and everything, and then I realized when it was time for me to I start editing and everything, then I realized I didn't have my hard drive. So everything is just, I can't save things on my computer anymore because the videos are too long. So no matter how I tried to upload it to YouTube, it was not working. I tried to save it on Google Drive or something. I knew it wasn't working because once I uploaded on YouTube, and if you upload stuff on YouTube, you'll know that things take like a good 2 hours to upload. And then it took like 30 seconds, like 2 minutes. I keep uploading it so many times, and it takes like 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and it was just not working. And I was like, there's no way this video is that long. And it took like 2 minutes to upload. So when I tried to watch it, it looks like everything was there. Once I published it, everything was just like, it's just skipping so many parts of the video. So I had to take it down. It was like terrible. Like the quality was just so bad. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of the space or the camera I was using with, because I had this vlogging setup on my phone. And then, so I wasn't sure if it's the quality or the storage, either or. It wasn't just not working. And then it was so cold in New York, you guys. Like, it was freezing the whole time. And then I got sick, like, twice. Like, I got sick, and then I got better the next day. And I got sick again until I got back here. And when I got back here, I was like, oh my god, I can't wait to go back to South Carolina. Like, the weather is so nice. It's not gonna be that cold, blah blah blah. And once I landed, it was freezing, you guys. And then it was like freezing, and it snows the next day, which is like really weird. I mean, I wasn't like bothered by the snow or anything. I like when it snows, because when it snows, it's not that cold anyways. So I was like, oh yeah, it's fine, I don't care. But everything was closed. It was like, ugh, my eyebrows are not cooperating right now. So bad. And then everything was closed, so I was like really mad because I had a lot of things to do. Like, my eyebrows is not cooperating today at all. Yeah, so that's literally what I've been up to. Literally, it's school that takes most time out of my day. I'm about to start school again. January, I believe, 15. I remember this time. I will not forget. That was like the first time that happened to me, though. It's just, yeah, I really haven't got the time to do much. My eyebrows always take the longest. Always take the longest. I need to go do my eyebrows. That's probably why they're acting up so much. Anyways, I'm just going to work, so it doesn't really matter. My dog is barking. I don't know what's wrong now. Okay, my eyebrow is fine now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. I usually wrap my hair because it looks so nice. And then I have no flyaways. I hate flyaways, but they always happen. There is my hair. Anyways, so if you guys want to see how I do my hair in the morning, I'll already filmed a video on that, I believe a couple months ago, so I'll make sure I link that down below. And then, so I'm about to plump my lips. I usually do that when I'm getting ready. And then this is from Victoria's Secret. I've had it for a really long time now. There's different color. This one is like more like a pinkish color, and I have another one that's like colorless that has no color. And then, yeah. It's gonna burn. It always burns. Not that much. And now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, and I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Primer. I love this thing so much, you guys. Like, this thing has been my favorite. You see this? Like, this barely, there's not, like, not barely, but there's not that much. Like, I've used a lot. Like, it's all the way over here. I mean, for a primer, when you only take like one pump, you know. So this is what I'm using. That's it. I don't remember if I prime my face or not. I usually prime wherever I get oily, but I honestly don't get that much oily like I used to anymore. So I have this things on my head. Anyways, and for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Luminous Silk foundation by Giorgio Armani. I usually don't wear this foundation when I'm going to work, but today, the one that I usually wear, my everyday foundation, this is Drugstore by Melanie. It's the 2-in-1 foundation. I can't use it because I have no more, so I have to go buy one sometime today. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this, and yeah, I'm going to be applying this with it's a pump, by the way. I love pump foundation. This is one of the reasons. The foundation that I like from MAC, I don't really use it anymore because it doesn't come in a pump. And so I really like, and I've been using this foundation and I love it so much, so I don't even bother. getting another one, but that doesn't mean I don't like it. I mean, I still use it, but I don't use it as often as I used to. But this is also Pump, so me using a beauty blender, I love this so much. Like, I love Pump, and it's not like, I don't think it's full, it's not full coverage, but it gives you that natural looking. My beauty blender is like so wet. That's probably why. You guys see this? It's so pretty. Like, it's not too much. I usually take like one pump, but I think it's because my beauty blender is kind of wet. Oh, a little too wet. That's probably why it's like takes so much. Yeah, this is it. This is how I usually do my face whenever I'm going to work. As you guys can see, big difference. I love it so much. I'm gonna be using the KKW Beauty contour stick. Yeah, contour cream stick, however you call it. And I usually highlight my face, not that much, just a little bit, just my under eyes. I barely got any sleep anyway, so I need that so much. And I'll go ahead and blend it out. It really doesn't take that long, you guys. So that's about it. And then I'm gonna be applying my Mercier under my eyes and also a little bit on my face, just to set my concealer. I mean, not my concealer, my foundation. And yeah, this is literally how I do my face every day. And right now I'm gonna be applying my mascara, and I use this by Too Faced. It's the one, it's waterproof. It's the Better Than Sex mascara. I love it so much, you guys. Like, the past 2 weeks, I've been using it for 2 weeks now, and the past 2 weeks I've been using it every day compared to my other foundation. Like, I mean, not foundation, other than my mascara. Like, it's amazing. I think I explained to you guys everything that I've been up to, really. It's mostly school that takes all my days. And this is it, you guys. And this is how I do my face every day, you guys. The only difference was the foundation, and I only used that today because my other everyday foundation is gone. So yeah, that's the only difference. And my lips, I usually put stuff in my lips. It's a lip balm, and I usually left it in my car because I never use it for any other purpose. Just, I only use it when I'm in uniform, basically. I really hope like you guys enjoy like me sitting down. To be honest, the thing that's been keeping me from posting is school. Let me tell you guys. Oh. Hopefully, I start school again in January 15th. Yes, in January 15th. So I will not forget this time, and I'll be on top of everything. And once I'm on top of everything, I'll be able to post. So make sure you guys stay tuned. You guys will be seeing another video very soon. So I'm probably gonna go to work and come back and film another video because I'm scheduled to have my wisdom teeth removed next week. Monday. So I'm probably gonna film over the weekend and edit throughout the week. So because I doubt I'll be able to talk. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I missed this so much. I miss sitting down and just kind of film. Like, I've been wearing a lot of makeup actually. I've been trying on a lot of new product, by the way, and it's been good. And a lot of them, it's been good. Some of them are good. Like, I've got some boxes from, okay, I'm breaking everything. Like I said, I've been trying on a lot of new makeup. So yeah, I've got a couple boxes from influencer from like a lot of brand of makeup that I've never tried before. So I was really happy to try a lot of them, and a lot of them are super good. And I still have this. This is like my little basket where I leave all my new makeup that I haven't tried yet. And I still have like a lot of stuff in my suitcase from New York. So yeah, this is it, you guys. I feel like I'm out of focus. But anyways, this is it, you guys. I love you guys so much. I'm super excited that I got to sit down and film the video today. I was so all about it. Oh, I forgot I have to take a picture, a thumbnail picture. I totally forgot about that. That's how you know I haven't filmed in a long time. Like, okay, I keep breaking stuff. Let me just take my thumbnail picture and go on about my day, my half day. If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean, that's a half day. I'm about to go to work. Imagine I go to work and they told us, oh yeah, since you guys got 2 days off, you have to work Saturdays and Sundays. I mean, I wouldn't be that mad, but I'd be a little butthurt. It is what it is. Whatever. I don't care. By the way, don't mind my background. I know it's like still Christmassy season in the back, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna take my little Christmas tree down sometimes next week, and yeah.